I'm Tamar Williams and I'm assisting Kevin Lewis on The Princess and The Pea. So we're currently coming to the end of our third week of rehearsals on The Princess and The Pea, which is also being performed in Welsh, y Dywysoges Bysen Fechan Fach. So we've got about a week left and then we're going to be heading out on tour for a month around South Wales, which is very exciting, and then returning here to the Sherman for the Christmas holidays. So we've been rehearsing now for a while and we've had a really wonderful time. It's been a really joyful process. We've been playing a lot of games and sort of trying to find the real essence of the story. I think the story of The Princess and The Pea is a really beautiful one, and it's one that a lot of people really sort of identify as being one of their favourite stories from their childhoods.
The Queen now knew that the girl was a real princess.
I think what makes this production special is the fact that we're doing a bilingual show. So it is going to be something that will be performed in English, but will also be performed in Welsh. So that's been the real challenge, is working with the thing in two languages and trying to find the differences between the Welsh and the English, because there are, big differences in the way that the languages work, and getting that coherence in the rehearsal process. It is a story that will be performed for ages 3 to 6, but it really is a story for everyone, and that's what we're trying to find.